welcome back to Keeping Up with Kaylee. Today I'm doing my first ever Halloween makeup tutorial. I saw this look on Halada, I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, her YouTube channel, and I was so inspired. I just thought it was so cool how the eyes looked like there were spiders coming out of them. And then I did my own little take and I put this like fake web on me and then some spiders going up my neck to make it look like a glam Spiderella. So if you want to see this makeup look, stay tuned. I'm gonna break it down for you. It honestly was pretty easy. It took me about 30 minutes, well, just like to get it intricate. It's not perfect, but Halloween costumes don't have to be perfect. They just have to be quick and ready to go and party. So if you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up or just watch the whole thing and then at the end give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. If you're not into these things, if I did a good job, I'd love to know. And let me know down below what costume you're gonna be for this Halloween. I have so many Halloween costumes in my head and I have a few makeup looks as well, so I wanted to do this one and then I might do the other makeup look that I have in my mind for you guys, but we'll see how this one goes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Now let's start glamming it up.
I already did the base of my face, so my foundation's done. I'm going to use this Morphe palette. I will put everything down below. I'm going to use this light beige transition shade. I really like putting this in the crease so that when I do the deep black eye, I have a nice transition, and I use a few colors just to make it pop and look more realistic than just straight on black. So I take that light beige and I put it in both of my creases here and I just really blend it in. Then I'm going to go in with these kind of deeper reddish colors and I put it in the exact same spot where my transition shade was, and I just kind of blend that in the crease as well, and I bring it down to the corners a little bit. And I do that on both of my eyes and I really blend it. Blending is so important to make it look really professional. I am not a professional by any means. I watch a lot of YouTube beauty gurus and they all say to blend, baby. So that's what I do, and the tip has definitely helped. I'm going to go ahead and take this NYX Jumbo pen in, I think it's like just black or black Noir or something like that, but it's just a super black jumbo type crayon for your eyes, which I really like. I have this in black and in white, and they have so many different colors and they're so easy to apply. So you're just going to make these eyes look like the body of your spider. So you bring it underneath and you kind of make this circular look. Now I'm going to go in with this super black powder, and the powder is just going to lock in that cream crayon that you're using so it doesn't slide or glide or anything on your eye, and it's also going to make the deepness of that black pop through a little bit more. So I just use that flat brush and compact it on my eye. Now I use my liquid eyeliner, and this isn't the best liquid eyeliner that I have. I would rather use a gel liner. You could also use cream makeup to make these little legs for your spiders that pop out through your eyes. And right now it doesn't look very good, but just trust me, we're going to do some shadowing and a little bit of coloring throughout once the legs are finished. But you kind of just throw them on your face wherever you want to place them. I like a few crawling up my nose so it looks like it's crawling out of the eyes, and then I definitely want them crawling through the sides of my eyes to just balance everything out. I did keep looking at Halada's final product, final results that she did for her face, and I just kind of placed them the way she had them because I thought they looked really nicely. It doesn't look identical, but I definitely used her placement, so I just want to credit her as much as possible because this isn't my only idea. I definitely got inspiration from her, so I just do the same thing on the other eye, and I keep on going with that black pencil. It doesn't glide on my face that well. I don't know, maybe it's just this Too Faced liner, I'm not sure. But then I go in with the purple and black eyeshadow, and I kind of just go slightly over the edges of the lines that I just made because I just want it to kind of be cohesive and blend. Now for that jumbo white NYX pencil, I kind of just take it and I add these little shadow wings to the legs to make them more realistic looking. So give each leg a little something with that white pencil, and I really think 3 on each leg looks really nice if you can. The smaller ones, maybe just 1 or 2, but just kind of place them in different areas, play around with it. If you mess up, just go back in with that jumbo black pencil and you can restart. Now I'm going to go in with this flat brush, which is key. You could also use a paintbrush if you're using cream paint, but I think this flat brush really does the trick with what I'm trying to do here, and what I'm trying to do is shadowing. I really think shadowing brought together this whole spider leg eye look because it gives dimension, and I really like the way it's turned out. So I went in there with this light taupish color to kind of trace what I wanted. I went along each leg and just went the way the shape of each leg was, but on the opposite side, if that makes sense. I don't know. Just watch what I'm doing here. And then to kind of make it a little more prominent, I used a grayish color on top of that shadowing to make it a little bit more of a depth on my eye. Now for my lips. So I went ahead with a light beige nude looking lip, only because that is what she did in her video, and I'm trying to go along with what she has going on. For my lip liner, I used NYX Nude Beige, and for my lipstick, I used MAC Honey Love. So I'm going to go in and kind of make it my own now that I focused on the makeup look by Tina. I take these like little spiders that I got from this party store here called Oz, and then I take this cobweb, you know, just standard cobweb, you can really get them anywhere, and I'm gonna create like spiders crawling up my neck because I'm a Spiderella and I have cobwebs all over me. So I take eyelash glue and I just kind of dab it onto these spiders here, and I let it dry because that's what you would do with eyelashes. And you blow on it, you let it sit there for 30 minutes, and then you just start placing them really wherever you want. I thought this was just the best technique, and it really did work. So I thought it was a nice little touch. You have to wait a little bit. My spider legs look kind of funny on that one, but I couldn't figure out what I wanted to do for my Instagram picture. Did I want my hair up, my hair down? I should have straightened it. What was I thinking? I'm not a professional, guys. I really love being creative during this time of year, or any time of year really. I've been really into using makeup and eyeshadows kind of as art on your face, like the Halloween Instagram makeup looks I live for. They're so cool. I use this cobweb as a fan because I see all the beauty people do it. I'm ridiculous. I know.
Alright guys, that is it for the makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I can't tell if I like my hair in a ponytail like this. My webs are going all over the place. The spiders are partying it up and just cobwebbing it everywhere. Or do we like it down like this? I'm trying to decide for the Insta pic. Which one? No, I think I liked it more slicked back. It's a little too all over the place. Okay, so we're going to slick it back. Take an Instagram pic, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching!